Good day. Today I will show you how you can utilize the PatientXpress campaign. First, you just need to click on the PX button. Once on the PX button, click on the Campaign tab. You can now go ahead and apply the filters you need for your campaign. You can also click on the checkbox for Get All Patients to get all the patient who is active. For this instance, I will apply a filter with the date selected and click on the Search Patient. Once I've done that, I can now go ahead and select the patient who can receive the campaign I will be sending, or I can simply click Select All to select all patient from the filter, and then select my preferred campaign type. I will then choose my campaign type as email, and I will select my preferred template for my campaign. After you selected your preferred details for the campaign, you can now go ahead and click on Send. After clicking on the Send button, the system will then confirm to you the patients who will receive your campaign. You just need to click OK on this. And that is it. That is how you can utilize the PatientXpress campaign. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.